I found a brand new strategy for making money using YouTube Shorts by re-uploading other videos without any copyright. And you don't need to show your face. The niche in which we will make shorts is luxury cars and lifestyle. The reason for choosing this is that people who watch these types of shorts are more likely to want to become rich and are interested in making money. That is why we can sell them this product called Wealth Manifestation DNA, which pays you $48.33 per sale. So you can start figuring out how much money you want to make. I will show you how you can find that product, and at the end of the video, I will prove to you by uploading shorts that if you upload shorts following all the guidelines, they will not take any copyright. That's why you need to stick with me till the final step, otherwise you will face copyright issues. But before starting, smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification icon for discovering new online opportunities daily. This channel Majestic Cars are uploading the same kind of shorts. They upload just car shorts, and most of them receive a very good number of views. And trust me, you can do this kind of shorts within 15 to 30 minutes. If you think this channel has 219,000 subscribers, that's why it got these many views, it is not true. If I search on YouTube, #shorts+car, you can see here, a lot of other channels are doing the same thing, and 4K edits, just 1.15 thousand subscribers, but still get 141,000 views. Shorts can be viral at any time, and it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have. Just see the views each short gained: 853,000 views, 4.6 million views, 741,000 views, and so on. So, the very first step is, we need to collect car videos. We get our car video clips from official car YouTube channels. This is the official Mercedes-Benz YouTube channel. This channel is linked to their official website. If you want, you can verify this. This is the official website of Mercedes-Benz. And this is the official Rolls-Royce YouTube channel. And here is the official YouTube channel of BMW. The reason for using clips from this channel is that these channels already want to advertise their new cars to their audience, and if you help them in doing so, they will not grant you copyright, but you must follow some guidelines while using their videos. And in order to understand the guidelines, you should stick with me to the end, because at the end of this video, I will upload short videos to my channel to prove that they will not grant any copyright. However, if you prefer, you may use free clips from pexels.com. You'll also find various luxury car videos here, such as Lamborghini. Other cars include Ferraris, luxury cars, sports cars, Mercedes, Audi, Rolls-Royce, and so on. These are all the Rolls-Royce video clips, as you can see. These clips can be used to make short videos. To create one short video, you must download 3 to 4 videos. For example, I'd want to make short videos on new Rolls-Royce cars. First, open the videos in a new tab, then navigate to itones.com. Then copy the video URL, paste it here, and click the convert button. Then select 1080p video aspect ratio and click on the get link. Then simply download the video from here. As you can see, here I am downloading 2 videos, but you need to download at least 3 or 4 videos. After the download, you must go to the second step, which is video editing. I'm using canva.com to edit shorts because it's a free online tool that everyone can use. Because YouTube shorts are vertical, you must choose a mobile video vertical template from this list. First and foremost, you must upload the video clips, as I am now uploading them. When you're done uploading, simply drag and drop the video onto the timeline. The first thing you should do is mute its sounds. The most important thing to remember is that you must take only 5 to 7 seconds of the clip from each video, no more than that, as this is a regulation for re-uploading. So, you can see here, I trimmed just 5 seconds from the video. And in the same way, first, you need to mute the second video, and then grab a 5 to 7 second clip that seems interesting. You need to download at least 3 to 4 videos so that the length of your shorts becomes 15 to 20 seconds. Now you need to upload background music. Here I am uploading this background music which I downloaded from YouTube Audio Library. And this is the YouTube Audio Library, from which you will get tons of free background music to create videos. You can download any of them. Okay, now we need to adjust the background music to the length of the video. Simply click on adjust and it is adjusted. Now our video is ready, and you can see the preview from here. Now click on the share button to download the video from canva.com. You can see here our video is downloaded. Let's see how it looks. Now what I recommend is that, if you can, add a call to action at the end of the video. You can add this call to action. If you want to be the owner of a luxury car, go and check out the link in the pinned comment, which can help you to become rich and an owner of this type of car. If you add a voice call to action, it will insanely increase your conversion rate, meaning you will make more money. The third step is to showcase the product that we want to promote. The product we previously showed is from ClickBank, since their affiliate commission is much higher than others. You must first log in, but if you do not have an account, you can make one for free using this link. This sort of dashboard will appear when you log in. Then you must go to the affiliate marketplace to affiliate ClickBank products. Then look for manifestation here. There will also be a lot of manifestation products. However, we must sort this result by gravity. ClickBank Gravity is supposed to tell you how popular the product is on the market. This is the product that is related to wealth manifestation, and you can see the product landing page here. There is a video which explains why you should buy this product. The product is all about activating your internal wealth DNA to attract money to you effortlessly. And the gravity score of this product is 304, which tells us this one really helps the audience. And the commission is also good at $48.33. That's why it seems to me a good product to promote. To promote, click on Promote button, then add your nickname here, and after that, click on Create Hop Link, and your product affiliate link will be created. Simply copy this and paste it on a Word document or Google Doc document. Okay, you must now include this text. Activate your internal wealth DNA to attract money. Simply copy and paste this over here. The final step is to upload the video without any copyright issues. But first, if you haven't already subscribed, go subscribe to this channel. It's free, and you'll get a lot of excellent making money online ideas every day. I'm making a test YouTube account here. Now, click on Upload, and then choose the video file. I drag and drop the video here, and the video begins to upload. Give this video a title like New Rolls-Royce on the market, and then include the hashtag shorts. In the description section, first, add the affiliate product link. After that, you must give credit to the video. Simply copy the link address, write something like video credit, and then paste the link to the video. Similarly, you must provide another video credit. The most essential factor is you must now include YouTube's fair use disclaimer. Write something like copyright disclaimer, then go to this web page, and from here you will get the copyright disclaimer. Simply copy and paste this into the video description. Finally, add this text, for copyright issues, please contact me, and include your email address. You can see here, the video is uploaded and checked by YouTube. They clearly mention that, we will check your video for issues, and no copyright issues are found. But still, if you add all the things that I am adding to the description, you will never face any copyright issues. As all of the things are okay, just publish the video. After publishing the video, now you need to go to its comments section, and paste the affiliate product link, and comment down. Then just pin the comment so that it appears at the top of all comments. Because you mentioned the product in your shorts, if your visitors purchase the products, you will receive a $48.33 affiliate commission on each sale. Now, if you want to start a profitable YouTube channel, you need to watch the video shown on the screen. And if you haven't already subscribed, do it now. It is free, however, you will get new online income ideas daily. See you in the next video.